Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to my channel The Healthy Soul. So guys, tell me today, how often have people buzzed about your height and given you unnecessary information about the ways you can increase your height? Sure, people face numerous struggles in their day-to-day life, and this often affects them mentally as well. And with growing age, it seems almost impossible to find a way to gain height. Despite having numerous drinks in the market that claim to increase one's heights, there are negligible results both statistically and visibly. However, there are certain ways which can help in increasing our height even after the age of 18. Yes, there is still some hope for us. The human growth hormone in the pituitary gland is the one responsible for the growth of our bones, body composition, and metabolism. All of these grow when we hit puberty between the age of 12 and 13 and continue to grow for the next 6 years almost. There are people who grow even after that, but that is a rare exception. For people who were unable to grow to their desired height 18, here are some ways which can help you grow taller. So the first way is do regular hanging exercises. Not many are aware of the fact that our height changes by an inch during the day. When we sleep, our spine stretches completely, whereas when we stand, the spine compresses because of our body weight. Thus, our height decreases as the day descends, but a few hanging exercises can help in sustaining our full height. Hanging exercises are helpful in strengthening our lower back and also adds muscles. It improves posture and increases muscle mass between the vertebrae. Now the second thing is having a balanced and healthy diet, which includes a good mix of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and carbohydrates can trigger growth hormones. A healthy diet acts like a fuel for the body to grow properly. It improves the rate of metabolism, increases blood circulation, and also makes our bones stronger. Foods like dry fruits, lean meats, milk, and leafy green vegetables should be on your list of must-haves. Do stretching exercises. People who are looking forward to increasing their height must do stretching exercises for 15 minutes every day. Exercises that involve stretching of the spine are helpful in releasing tension on the lower back. This is helpful in increasing height. Surya Namaskar is a good and effective exercise for proper stretching of the spine. Now fourth and one of the most important way is sleep adequately. Our body is at work even when we are asleep. Just like children grow the most in their sleep, adults too need an adequate amount of sleep for better and healthy growth. This is because pituitary gland is most active when we are asleep. Also, the position in which we sleep plays an important role in our growth. The best sleeping posture is lying on the back without a pillow while elevating knees slightly by putting a pillow under them. This position strengthens the spine while stretching the discs on the back. Not only is it helpful in increasing your height, it also helps in reducing risk of back injuries and back pains. Now the fifth way is exercise regularly. As we grow older, it is important to be engaged in some kind of physical activity, and exercises like running, jumping, and aerobics result in longer and stronger bones. This is effective because exercising activates the nerve ends which are directly associated with the pituitary gland. It enables the gland to produce more growth hormones which can help in increasing height even after the typical age when height growth is set to stop. So guys, that's all in this video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and subscribe it and share it with your friends and family. We will back with a new video very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.